So, welcome everyone. New York session, pre-New York session, 4th of March, Wednesday. So, I still have the BTC long on. And we have actually now a new structure level. If this low breaks, I'm going to exit this this long position and also might enter in a short position because of the liquidity reclaim system. But 3 minutes till New York session open. We are going to see how New York session, how price in the New York session will position itself. So our invalidation, our exit would be around this market level. Other than that, if we are not managing to close below this level, we are going to continue to push higher. I'm not going to enter in any trade because I'm already in from much lower, and we are just going to ride the trend. As of NQ, we are looking for longs in the pre-session, and we are going to see how market positioning itself on the New York session. So that is the pre-market view. So market open, initial reaction pushing upwards. So still the same idea around this market level. We are exiting yesterday's long and maybe start looking for shorts, but market is pushing, initial reaction is pushing aggressively higher. Also an NQ is the same positioning. We are looking for long. So we have our first 15-minute candle formed. Let me just mark it. So first 15-minute candle marked. Both on NQ and on BTC we have a rejection around the highs. BTC is already around resistance level. So my plan for this would be, if we are breaking lower, then I'm not going to take the opening range setup. I'm going to look for the liquidity setup because we are right around the liquidity level, and this is this would be a textbook style trade. On NQ, the other hand, we are still looking for longs. If not so, we have to break this low on the 1 hour. So NQ making an attempt to break out. BTC no follow through really. So 30 seconds left. Let me just prepare an order for NQ. We broke out. I entered in the position. Let me set the SL also. All right, SL set, position set. So quick update on BTC. We set a marker structure already. So if we break this low, this market structure level, I'm out from the trade. And on NQ, we still have to push above this level to have a valid market structure for a market structure break. So I'm going away from home now, so I will be managing the trades on my phone. So we are actually going to close the NQ trade because it's made and market structure break. Let me just close it. All right. But this is trade still running, waiting for a market structure break to happen. So we are closing also the BTC position. BTC is looking like reversing and actually make a market structure break on this MT5 platform. Doesn't show it clearly, but on trading view we have already the market structure break. And the next step would be here somewhere we have a liquidity level, and I will be looking for a short trade. So actually I'm looking at NQ. Thinking about a short position. If you're closing below strongly below this level, then I'm expecting that market will keep pushing downwards. Here are the results from today. A very good day for me. I'm still looking for this short setup. If it appears, I'm going to take it. But other than that, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.